In this exercise, we're going to find the prime factorization of the number 60. One way that we can find a prime factorization of a number is to use a factor tree. And to do that, we'll just start with the number 60, and we'll write any two factors of 60 that occur to us. Let's use the factors 6 and 10. And we'll branch off from 60 with a factor of 6 and a factor of 10. And now we try to factor each of these two factors. We can factor 6 as 2 times 3. And 10 has factors 2 and 5, so we can factor 10 as 2 times 5. And now we look at all the numbers at the ends of the branches of the tree, and we see that each of these numbers, 2, 3, and 5, is a prime number. So we have the prime factorization of 60, and we can write it as 60 equals 2 times 3 times 2 times 5. Or if we wanted to write all of the same numbers together, we could write this as 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. And this is the prime factorization of the number 60.